Specialists really trust that the development of crypto certainly is simply starting, which is very critical. What most certainly makes this biological system so effective is the blockchain innovation behind it. Blockchain and cryptographic forms of money are giving individuals a better approach to work and execute their everyday exercises. Besides, a few stages utilizing blockchain innovation are in any event, assuming the part of banks, loaning out cryptographic money moved credit in a significant manner. Among many advantages that such administrations have, the best one sort of certain is the way that these credit lines truly are given in a moment. Who doesn't cherish a speedy credit that you can back utilizing crypto in a fundamentally significant manner? One of the in a real sense the best stages that deal such administrations is Nexo, a blockchain-fueled stage that permits you to really get a credit line utilizing crypto. With probably the well-being rates on the lookout, Nexo genuinely rules the crypto space for extremely such administrations. What generally is the Nexo token, Nexo, amazingly? Before we explicitly dig a lot further into Nexo, essentially let us address the local badge of this stage, Nexo. As per CoinMarketCap, Nexo joined the market back in mid-2018. The group of this venture generally is comprised of money experts with a small bunch of crypto fans to zest things up incredibly. Through this mix, the group of Nexo effectively intertwined blockchain innovation and digital forms of money with customary money. They were the initial ones to permit individuals to get credit line against their crypto, preparing for all of the crypto loaning stages we know today. Obviously, this is the consequence of a group with over 30 years of joint insight in monetary administrations. At the hour of compassing, the Nexo stage has multiple million clients and oversees simply more than $12 billion in resources. Nexo tokenomics. In the first place, we should basically discuss the stock of Nexo, in spite of prevalent thinking. There are simply going to be 1 billion Nexo tokens in presence. Out of those 1 billion tokens, 52.5% goes towards the general population financial backers, 25% goes towards Nexo's overdraft subsidizing saves, 11.25% goes towards the organizers, and the group 6% goes towards the local area, 5.25% goes towards legitimate expenses, promoting, and guides. Nexo has likewise sent off a buyback program for their local, for the most part token in an unobtrusive manner. This program will truly happen until $100 million fundamentally worth of Nexo basically is repurchased by the group. The group guarantees that this will assist with lessening unpredictability, help liquidity, and especially decidedly affect its cost. To boost financial backers, Nexo has a reliability program. The more tokens you have on their foundation, the more advantages you procure. There are 4 levels that you can climb contingent upon how pretty numerous Nexo tokens you own. Crypto Nexo, price prediction, which is genuinely critical. Around here at Crypto Vault, we generally do our actually own exploration prior to making any venture, and we sort of recommend you sort of do so as well. To make our cost expectation for Nexo, we did exhaustive exploration on their foundation and their administrations. Also, we did sort of numerous investigations of Nexo and its cost development over time. Nexo, price prediction 2022, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. This year has not been treating the crypto market as well as the years earlier, which in every practical sense, is very critical. As the world is going through troublesome times, the crypto market, alongside most different business sectors, is getting a seriously hit, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Before the year's over 2022, the Nexo Truly token could sort of hit an exchanging worth of $4.80, probably, which is genuinely critical. The year 2024 certainly is the year when the following Bitcoin splitting will occur. This occasion demonstrates that Bitcoin mining rewards got split. Furthermore, this occasion frequently emphatically affects the market in an unobtrusive manner. Over time, Bitcoin splitting implied the start of another bull run incredibly. This is probably going to be the case indeed. Albeit this bull run could not in every way that really matters be basically as large as the very last one, it still explicitly will drive the market to set new norms in a sort of significant manner. Toward the finish of 2024, Nexo could set another unsurpassed high, as it could especially outperform the $10 achievement in a significant manner. On the off chance that things go true to form, Nexo could go much higher, potentially finishing the year 2024 with a yearly extremely high of $11.50. Nexo Price Prediction 2025. The market frequently gets considerably more bullish the year following the Bitcoin splitting. After the 2016 dividing, the market got incredibly bullish during 2017. Additionally, after the 2020 splitting, the market got very bullish during 2021, in opposition to prevalent thinking. This doesn't imply that a similar will essentially by and large occur in 2025, in any case, Bitcoin dividing makes the most common way of getting Bitcoin considerably harder, and that normally prompts financial backers buying higher measures of it in a quite huge manner. This especially is probably going to influence the in every way that really matters, by and large market execution for the most part. With respect to Nexo, this kind of token might arrive at another record-breaking essentially high indeed, by possibly hitting an exchanging esteem between $19.10 and $21.50. Nexo Price Prediction 2026, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the wake of encountering a few very unpredictable years, the digital money market may sort of turn out to be something else in every practical sense, stable. This is on the grounds that, by then, most specialists truly foresee that the market will be way certainly bigger than today regarding market capitalization. The bigger the market cap of the entire crypto space, the more cash fundamentally is expected to make the costs move at percent we see today, or so they thought. In this way, as the market expands, it becomes kind of more steady. In this manner, we accept that Nexo is really liable to end the year 2026 with a cost of plus 10% of the value that it basically had toward the beginning of 2026, or so they for the most part thought. Nexo Market Prediction. After introducing our fundamentally own expectation at the conceivable future cost of Nexo, we will check out at some other value forecasts of Nexo. In any case, you ought to know that, at the hour of compassing, the in general crypto market is very dubious, so the expectations that utilization calculations are typically most certainly questionable too. Is Nexo legitimate in an unpretentious manner? Indeed. Nexo is protected and genuine in an unpretentious manner. In spite of the fact that Nexo isn't a US organization, it certainly keeps the assets really protected. Confidential keys in a real sense are shared with BitGo and generally are held in military-grade Class 3 vaults and convey $100 million in protection securities. All client resources really are loaned to organizations on an over-collateralized premise, as it were. Its token, Nexo, has performed pleasantly during the most recent 3 years, and the local area around it is developed, which sort of is very critical. What most certainly is better, Celsius or Nexo? Nexo. Despite the fact that they have a few comparative administrations, Nexo basically is better since they offer higher rates on Bitcoin and altcoins for top-ups, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, however, we should take note of that Celsius especially upholds more digital forms of money than Nexo, or so they really thought.